Hi guys, this is Jasmine from Excited for Coupons. Thank you for selecting this video. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for selecting and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And also if you enjoyed this video, you could give it a thumbs up, a like. I want to give a thanks to CVS and Coupon Confidant for the ad, the pictures for this new ad starting the following week, August 12th through the 18th. So there's a few items there that are kind of worth checking, but also keep in mind whatever coupons we're going to be getting that week, we still don't know, so the prices and the deals could get a lot better, and that's when I create those videos that are best deals once we have all those info. So let's just get started. On the first page, you're going to be able to see that you spend 15 on those items that are selected more in yellow, and you get back 5 ECB, and it's a limit of 1 per household. You're going to be seeing Tide, Dawn, Charmin, Bounty, Always, and the Tide Pods and Pantene as well. So quickly, I was able to do 2 deal ideas of, mix and match in order for you to reach 15. Because before we normally have to reach 30 and you get 10 ECB, but in this case, it's a lot simpler. You could spend 15. So one of the deal idea is, for this deal idea, I did reach 1581, but you could do it without the Dawn if you want to try it that way. You could buy 3 Tide Pods and 1 Dawn, or you could do it without the Dawn. Use 2 coupons from P&G and 1 from the CVS app. That way you have 3 in total. You pay $6.81, you get back 5 ECB, making it $1.81 or 45 cents each. But if you don't need to do the Dawn, because it's going to be under $14 and you still get the ECB, the total will be 82 cents for 3 pods. Another idea will be getting the Pantene and the Tide Pod. So get 1 Tide Pod and 3 Pantene. Use 1 coupon for the P&G. For the Tide Pods and 1 for the Pantene. You pay $8.94. You get back 5 ECB, making it 99 cents each. Continuing on this page, you're also going to be you see that Crest also is going to have a coupon sent to card, and also for Charmin. So I'm going to be more on the lookout to see if there's any other good coupons, and if it's a good deal, I will share that in a later video. We're going to be seeing a few of the cosmetics on special. L'Oreal Cosmetics, spend 12 get 4. Maybelline, buy 2 get 5. But Revlon is going to have that once you scan your card in the red box, you're going to get a mystery offer. So you spend 12 get 4, but there's also going to be a mystery coupon. It could be 3, it could be 4, depending how much it might be. But don't forget to scan your card. And on this following page, we're going to continue seeing back to school deals. There's some coupons that we have, also some cashback offers. So install Savings Star because there has been some good offers for back to school. You're going to be seeing some drinks that we've been seeing them going on for a few weeks now on special. Then we're going to be seeing Febreze is also buy 1 get 1 50% on. Kleenex is going to be spend 20 get 5 ECB, and it's going to be 3 for 4. And on some of those candies, also Ajax and Suavitel is going to be on special. And there is a coupon that you could actually select it from your app as well. So you also see candy and gum and some deals for assorted summer seasonal items. Sometimes those are really good to get because they're going to be 50% off. So depending what you might see in your store. On the following page, you're going to continue seeing food items and the cookies. It's going to be a good deal there. Buy 2 for 6. You're going to get ECB, plus there's going to be a coupon on that Sunday paper. And also you see deals for the Crave jerky, spend 15 get 5. So it's good to see that you also get ECBs on food items. So the following page continues to have some items, food items like the milk and the eggs are still on special, and Folger is going to be on special for $2.99. Also Spam 2 for 5, and sometimes there's a printable coupon for them. On the other page, you're going to be seeing continuing some candy and a makeup item on the other side. Joa, they has been promoting that new cosmetics for a few weeks now. Wet n Wild is going to be a special spend 10 get 5. I have a deal idea to share. There are so many options. You could reach 10, but this is just an idea. You could buy 3 blush or 3 items that are for $2.99, and one of the lipstick that's for $1.49. The total is $10.46. Each use 4 coupons, deducting 1, and you pay $6.46. You get back 5 ECB, making it just 37 cents for each item, which is really good. CoverGirl, we still have a lot of good printable coupons that are really high value. I'm going to share that in the description box if you haven't printed any of those, and if you did, I think you're still able to print them since we started a new month. Also, NYX is going to be on special. Physicians Formula, spend 15, get 10. And any Sally Cosmetics, spend 15 and you get back 6 ECB. Also on this page, you're going to be seeing candy and ice cream, but also you're going to be seeing Charlie, the candy. It's going to be for 2. But at the end you receive, you're going to get back 2 ECB, making it free. So that's something that is worth getting on this for this ad. Continuing on the next page, there's a big selection there of different items that's going to be buy one, get one 50% off. Those are really high end, almost hair care products. So you will also get 4 ECB when you buy 3. As you could be seeing, some good deals, buy one, get one 50% off, like Cetaphil, CeraVe. On the other side, you're going to be seeing get 5 extra bucks when you spend 15. It says that there's still a continuation from the front page, so that's a good way to see that there's more options that you can mix and match to reach 15 to receive that 5 ECB. Moving on the page, there's going to be deals for the L'Oreal on special for $13.99. The soap I see that is very interesting. It says you buy 2 for $7. We're going to get back an ECB when you buy 2 of $4, making it 2 for $3. Sometimes we'll be getting those coupons from the red box for body wash, or sometimes we get printable coupons from Self Soap. That will be a good deal to keep an eye out. But it's still too early to tell which coupons we're going to get for that week. Going back to that section, Eucerin is going to be on special. We've been seeing the Clearasil on special a few times. And Natrum is going to be also on special for $1.99. It says that you will have a coupon, but sometimes we've been getting some good coupons once we scan your card. So that's something to keep an eye out too. For the U by Kotex, it's also going to be on special 2 for $8. You get back ECB of 2, but also we're expecting a coupon of $3, making it just $1.50. But sometimes we'll be getting also coupons from the red box for Tampax and tampons, which will make it a good deal. Pampers for $9.99, spend 15, get 5 ECB. Depend or Poise, spend 30, get 10. And there's also other deals there. That you get ECB. The Crest is just sharing how there is a coupon in the app, which will make it for, it says it's like getting it for 17. For the Crest, buy 2, get 3. And also, I kind of did a quick deal for the Chic Razor, spend 30, get 10. So let me share quickly what I was able to do. There is a high value printable right now of $4, so I'm going to share that in case you want to print it. Here's the deal idea. Buy 3 of the disposable for $8.99 and buy 1 Skin Timate. That's $30.76. Use 3 of those coupons. You pay $18.76. You get back 10 ECB. Making it $2.19, but sometimes we be getting some good coupons from the red box for Chic or razors, and you could use that and deal to make it a better deal. On this same ad, I see the Colgate spend 10, get 5. So here's a deal idea. Buy 3 for $3.99. Use 3 printable coupons of that, so your total will be $8.97. You get back 5 ECB, making it $3.97 or $1.33. It's not the best deal, but it depends. Sometimes we get coupons for $2, or sometimes we get coupons from the red box machine. So just keep an eye out in case. But at least we're gonna see that it's gonna be on special. Going through the page, we see more Venus, buy 2, get 6. It looks similar to the deal that's going on this week. Also, Ensure is going to be on special for $7.99. You buy 2 and you get 3 ECB. Even for Miralax, spend 40, get 10. So it's good to see that there is items that is on special, or it's a special price, and or you get ECB as well, especially for all those medicines, vitamins, allergy pills that we sometimes buy, sometimes last minute. For that week, if you have a coupon for vitamins, the Radiance Platinum is going to be buy 2 get 10, and I've been seeing some good deals on the prices and the items that you could buy and combine it with that coupon. It will be a good offer. Here on the yellow section, you'll be seeing some of buy one get 150% off. I have a dial idea because it does say body wash, hand wash 7.5 ounce, or bar soap 2 to 6 pack. So this is the idea that I got going by. It says hand wash and is for 7.5 ounce. So I saw for the price is $227. So buy 2 at that price and buy 1 at 50% off. So the total comes out to $568. You get back 4 ECB when you buy 3, making it $168 or just 56 cents each. But sometimes the price may vary. You might find it a lot less, so you might save even more. And also the OGX and Maui is going to be buy 1 get 1 50% off. That's a good item. Here you're going to be seeing the Thai Simply or the Pods Downy Liquid for $294. Use a coupon, or you can select it in the app, and the total will come out to $194. Another deal idea is the chocolate candy Brookside or the Hershey layers, going to be for $379. You go to the red box machine, so scan your card, and we all going to be getting a coupon deducting too. So the total will be $179. Also, the Hershey's Kisses or the miniatures is going to be for $299, I believe. And in the app only, you can select the coupon deducting $150, making it $1.49. So there's some good deals going on. The ad does seem a little bit shorter, but I just wanted to share quickly those items that I was able to see that one might be a good offer. Because the ad is so early and we don't know which coupons we're going to be getting for that Sunday, it's hard to tell what might be a really good deal. But so far, I was able to pick a few, and I wanted to share with you so you can start getting ready as well and start seeing that ad. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you give it a thumbs up if you really liked it, and you can subscribe to my channel and share the video as well if you like to. Don't forget to visit my blog. I also be posting some deals there as well, and the printable coupons are going to be in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.